Alright, in this example we're supposed to find the, we have the list price for a food processor is $560. The chain discount is 20% less 10%. Notice here they ask what is the net price rate. So we don't have to find the actual price, we just need to find out what the rate for our new price is going, what percent are we paying in the end. To do that, we find the complement of each of our discounts here. Our first discount was 20%, so if you get 20% off, let's find the complement. What would you be paying? You would be paying 80%. If you get 10% off, what's the complement of that, or what would you be paying? And it looks like 90%. You move the decimal 2 places to the left on each of those. Okay, we have 0.8 times 0.9. Multiply those together and that will give us our net rate. When we do that, we get 0.72. The net rate is typically, if we're not calculating it and just saying what the rate is, we write it as a percent. So we move the decimal back 2 places to the right and we get 72%. What's the net price of a vacuum cleaner that was originally priced at $234 when the discounts of 25/60 are applied? Okay, so again, notice on this one it wants the actual price and not just the rate. We do have to find our rate first. Okay, so again, for the rate you took your 2 discounts, so we had a discount of 25% and then 60%. You find the complement of each of those. So if you get 25% off, you're paying 75%. If you get 60% off, you're paying 40%. For each of those, move the decimal 2 places to the left. You get 0.75 times 0.4. It looks like in the end we're paying a rate of 0.3 or 30%. Now they want the actual net price here, so we take the original price of the vacuum, $234, times our net price rate, 0.3, and we get $70.20, which is a pretty good deal. Alright, what is the net price rate? So again, we're just finding the rate here. When a drill kit originally priced at $124 is discounted 10% on top of 20%. So again, we are just finding the rate here. So we need to find the complement of each of our discounts. Again, that means if you're getting 10% off, the complement is what are you paying? Well, you're paying the other 90%. And here, if you're getting 20% off, what are you paying? Well, you're paying the other 80%. Move the decimal 2 places to the left and multiply the 2 rates together. So we have 0.8 times 0.9 again is 0.72. When we write down the net price rate, we want to write it as a percent. So we move the decimal back 2 places to the right and get 72%.